Hello guys! Today I will talk about how to start an e-commerce business using MyStore. You're probably thinking what MyStore is. Let's have a small introduction of it. MyStore is an e-commerce platform capable of selling any types of products. Product size and price can be added dynamically, so you can sell either restaurant food or clothes. For clothes items, you can set single price for multiple sizes. I hope you understand now what MyStore is. Demo link will be given to check. By the way, to start an e-commerce business, you have to choose the right product first. Focus on something people actually need or are actively searching for. It could be fashion, electronics, groceries, or even digital products. Next, build your brand. A strong name, clean logo, and clear message help customers trust your business from day one. Now comes the most important part, setting up your online store. Instead of spending months building everything from scratch, you can use a ready-made solution like MyStore App. It helps you launch your e-commerce business quickly with a professional-designed, smooth user experience and powerful features. With MyStore, you get everything you need: product management, secure payments, order tracking, and a fully functional mobile app for both Android and iOS. After setting up your store, focus on adding high-quality product images and clear descriptions. This builds confidence and improves conversions. Then, promote your business. Use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads to reach your target audience and drive traffic to your store. Finally, always prioritize customer satisfaction. Fast delivery, good communication, and reliable service will turn first-time buyers into loyal customers. Starting an e-commerce business doesn't have to be complicated. With the right strategy and tools like MyStore App, you can launch faster, grow smarter, and scale your business with confidence. Start today. Your online business journey begins now.